Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Ricaurte Twins. Hello, hello. If you're new here, hi. We're so happy you found us. And if you've been watching us for a while, welcome back. Today's episode is super practical because we're going to talk about something we all do almost every day. Eating.
Exactly. Whether you travel to another country, visit a cafe, or order food online, you'll always need English to talk about food and restaurants.
And believe me, knowing how to order food confidently can make a big difference. It's one of those moments when people really notice your English.
Yes, sometimes it's not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about sounding natural and polite.
Totally. So today, we'll show you 3 real restaurant situations with real phrases and expressions you can use.
And don't worry, we'll also go step by step, explaining what to say, how to pronounce it, and even what not to say.
Exactly. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this episode, you'll feel ready to order food like a native English speaker.
Okay, let's start with the basics. When you arrive at a restaurant, the waiter usually says, "Good evening. How many people?" That's just another way to ask, "How many guests?" or "How many are you?" And you can answer, "Table for 2, please." Or if you're alone, "Just 1, please," or "Just me, please." Then they'll say something like, "Follow me, please," or "Right this way." Once you sit down, you'll probably get the menu. Then the waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "Can I take your order?" If you're not ready, you can say, "Not yet, please. Just a few more minutes." That's polite and natural. When you are ready, you can start with, "I'd like," or "Can I have?" For example, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." "Can I have a lemonade, please?" Never say just, "Give me the chicken." That sounds too direct.
Exactly. Always add please and a smile. That's the secret recipe for polite English.
Oh, and don't forget dessert. You can say, "Can I see the dessert menu?" Or, "I'll have some ice cream, please."
And if you want to pay, you can say, "Can I have the check, please?" Or, "Could we get the bill, please?"
Good job! Oh, and one more tip. In the US, people usually tip the waiter. That means leaving a little extra money to say thank you for the service. Usually around 10 to 15%. If you don't leave a tip, it can seem rude. Yes, so if you ever travel there, remember that part too. Now, let's go over some super useful words you'll hear when you eat at a restaurant or talk about food in English. Yes, knowing these words helps a lot, especially when you read a menu or order food. All right, let's start with the first one, appetizer, the small dish you eat before your main meal.
Exactly. Like when you go to a restaurant and you order soup or a little salad before your main dish. You can say, "For my appetizer, I'll have the soup of the day." Perfect. Then comes the main course. That's the biggest and most important part of your meal. Right. For example, "My main course is grilled chicken with rice." That's usually the dish that fills you up the most. And after that comes everyone's favorite word, dessert. Yes, dessert is the sweet part at the end. Ice cream, cake, flan, brownies, everything we love. You can ask, "What's for dessert today?" Then we have beverage. It's a more formal way to say drink. Like, "Can I have a cold beverage, please?" Yeah, it sounds a bit more polite, right? Exactly. And when you finish your meal, you'll need the check, or in British English, the bill. So you can say, "Excuse me, could I get the check, please?" Yes, that's a very common phrase. Super important to remember when you're done eating.
Oh, and here's one you'll definitely hear if you go to a cafe or a fast food restaurant. Eat in or eat out, right? That question means, are you going to eat your food here or are you going to take it to go? So if you're staying, you can say, "I'll eat in, please." And if you're taking it home, say, "To go, please." Perfect. Now let's see all this in action with 3 fun and realistic restaurant scenes.
Good evening. Welcome to Golden Spoon. Table for 2?
Yes, please. Table for 2.
Follow me, please. Here's your table. May I get you a beverage while you look at the menu?
Thank you. I'll have a glass of water and maybe a lemonade, please.
Sure. 1 water and 1 lemonade. I'll be back shortly with your drinks. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like sauce on the side?
Yes, please. And could I replace the vegetables with a side salad?
Of course. Anything else?
That's everything. Thank you.
Great. I'll be back with your food shortly. Here's your grilled chicken with side salad and the small pepperoni pizza.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
That's great. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Of course. Will that be together or separate?
Separate, please.
All right. Here's your check.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Everything was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a great evening.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like an iced latte, please.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. Oh, and could you make it with almond milk?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, one chocolate muffin, please.
Got it. That'll be $6.50.
Here you go. Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Hi, welcome to Twin Burgers. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger combo, please.
What would you like to drink?
A cola, please.
Would you like fries or a salad?
Fries, please, extra crispy.
Sure thing. Would you like to make it large?
No, thank you. I'm trying to be healthy today.
Got it. Oh, and is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
All right. That'll be $8.25.
Here you go. Can I get some ketchup, please?
Absolutely. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So today, you learned how to order food in restaurants, cafes, and fast food places. Remember, the key to ordering food in English is to be polite and confident.
Yes, don't worry about sounding perfect. Just speak, smile, and enjoy the process.
You can practice shadowing with this video. Repeat after us and copy our rhythm and pronunciation.
Thank you so much for watching. And remember, learning English is like ordering your favorite meal. It gets better every time you try.